A recently leaked promotional image of the DJI Mini 5 Pro has surfaced, revealing a range of major technological advancements while still adhering to the crucial sub-250-gram weight category. This Spanish-language marketing material, originally shared on the social media platform X, showcases a number of significant upgrades, including LiDAR sensors and a potential 1-inch camera sensor, signaling a substantial leap forward in DJI's ultralight drone lineup. Today we are going to share what we know so far about the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro. One of the most striking upgrades in the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its potential 1-inch camera sensor, which would be a significant enhancement over the Mini 4 Pro's 1x1.3-inch sensor. A larger sensor generally translates to improved image quality, better low-light performance, and greater dynamic range, making this an appealing feature for photographers and videographers alike. The drone also boasts a redesigned gimbal, which now supports vertical shooting modes tailored specifically for social media content creators. This allows users to capture portrait-oriented footage directly, eliminating the need for cropping or post-production adjustments. Moreover, the camera system appears to have the capability to tilt straight upward, a first for the Mini series, opening up new creative possibilities for aerial photography. This feature would be particularly beneficial for filming tall structures, capturing unique perspective shots, and enhancing storytelling potential. According to the leaked specifications, the DJI Mini 5 Pro offers impressive flight capabilities, with a remarkable 25-kilometer range and an extended flight time of up to 50 minutes on a single charge. This marks a notable improvement over its predecessor, allowing for longer, uninterrupted flights and reducing the need for frequent battery swaps. A standout addition to the Mini 5 Pro is the inclusion of advanced LiDAR obstacle avoidance technology. The drone features dual front-facing wide-angle sensors, as well as 2 additional inward-facing black sensors, which likely contribute to enhanced obstacle detection and navigation accuracy. LiDAR technology significantly improves the drone's ability to detect and avoid objects in various lighting conditions, making flights safer and more autonomous. Additionally, DJI has incorporated built-in audio recording, a feature that could be particularly useful for vloggers and content creators who wish to add narration or ambient sound directly to their footage. While external audio recording is typically preferred for professional-grade videos, this built-in feature may offer added convenience in specific scenarios. The DJI Mini 5 Pro introduces several refined design elements aimed at improving flight stability and landing precision. It is equipped with precision landing sensors and an LED ground illumination system, which enhances low-light landings and overall nighttime flight safety. While the drone retains the signature compact form factor of the Mini series, it now features 2 small legs on the main body and additional legs on the front arms. This design closely resembles the Mini 4 Pro, but incorporates notable refinements that contribute to better stability and protection. One of the most exciting aspects of the Mini 5 Pro is its focus on AI-powered tracking. Leveraging advanced sensors and enhanced camera mobility, the drone is expected to offer greater autonomy and creative versatility. DJI appears to be positioning this model as an ideal tool for content creators, travelers, and professionals who need reliable, high-quality aerial footage with minimal manual control. The AI-powered tracking system is likely to improve subject recognition, intelligent flight modes, and automated cinematography, making it easier than ever to capture stunning aerial shots. Despite its cutting-edge advancements, DJI has managed to keep the Mini 5 Pro under the crucial 250-gram weight limit. This is a significant engineering feat, as it allows the drone to bypass strict regulations in many regions, including the United States. Drones weighing under 250 grams generally do not require registration with aviation authorities in several countries, making the Mini 5 Pro an attractive option for both hobbyists and professionals who prefer a hassle-free flying experience. While official pricing has yet to be confirmed, industry analysts speculate that the Mini 5 Pro will be priced higher than its predecessor, given its substantial hardware and software upgrades. This anticipated price increase is expected to be justified by the drone's premium features, including its 1-inch sensor, vertical shooting functionality, advanced AI-driven tracking, and improved flight performance. With a rumored 1-inch sensor, innovative vertical shooting capabilities, and AI-powered flight features, it is clearly designed to cater to content creators, social media professionals, and drone enthusiasts seeking high-quality, portable aerial imaging solutions. As the official announcement approaches, excitement continues to build around what could be the most sophisticated mini-series drone yet. If the leaks are accurate, DJI is poised to set a new benchmark in the lightweight drone market, offering a perfect balance of portability, power, and cutting-edge technology.